Those who accept my commandments and obey them are the ones who love me. John 14:21. J'ai aussi écrit ça en français si tu lis pas en anglais. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get started. I started off with stretching out my hair with rubber bands overnight because I didn't want to blow dry my hair. Blow out my hair, that's the term. I didn't want to blow out my hair, so last night, the night before, I decided to stretch out my hair, let it air dry, and then I stretch it out with rubber bands, and this is the outcome of it. And it looked very well. It came out pretty well, exactly how I pictured the stretch out to be. This helped me because I didn't want to put heat on my hair as far as like straightening out the ends. Because I did braid the ends of my hair when it came to the ponytail part, which you guys will see pretty soon. But yeah, this is what I did. I stretched it out and it helped the style. So what I did here, I parted my hair, and this is the section that I was going to braid. I took that Got2b gel, the white one, and I put it on my roots. I put it at the end. Jesus, I put it in the, oh my gosh, you see what I did. It was at the roots of my hair. And then I took the accessories that we use when we braid or when we do box braids. I folded that in half, and then I started braiding along with my hair. Hopefully this helps and makes sense, but it came out looking like this. And it was actually an easy thing. Like, I can't really say it was difficult, but if this is your first time braiding, corn rolling, if that's a word, it might be difficult, but it helps you grip on your hair because it feels like you're gripping on extensions and you're adding it onto your hair. Just don't braid your hair too tight. So with the slickness, I used two different type of Got2b gel. I used the black Got2b gel, and then I used the yellow Got2b gel because summertime, I try to stay away from humidity. And when I mix those two together, it helps my hair to stay laid. I recently started doing this, and it's by far the best strategy ever. So try it out. Excuse my little Got2b gel. Sis was not about to pay a whole $17, okay, for 2 bottles. So we went the short way. We paid $2.95 each. Okay, so that $2.95 was worth it. All right, we do anything just to save some coins. So yeah, that's what I did. I mixed those two together. I started sectioning my hair and started slicking down my hair by section. Before I continue this video, I just want to say thank you to all of those who watched my previous video about depression, and your messages, your private messages via DM, via email. They were so heart fulfilling, and I wasn't expecting to receive long paragraphs, but I did. So thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. The tears came down, and it was just like, wow. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'm not good at expressing feelings. So on to the hairstyle. So now I'm going to be mixing the yellow Got2b gel with the black Got2b gel, and we're just gonna slick the hair. That's basically what I did throughout the entire video. Just keep watching, and I'll be right back. So let me explain something real quick, okay? This rat comb right here helps with my slick back because it helps actually comb down the hair that's like, gives you that humpiness. So I use rat tails just to give my hair that complete slick back that my brushes don't do. Like, if you don't comb your hair that well, that tangleness that it gets when you slick it back, that's what the rat tail does. So I just want to come on here and explain to you guys why I was talking, because it was supposed to be a talk through video, but sis got tired of talking. So I was like, I'm going to stay quiet for the rest of the video and just do a voiceover, because talking too much sometimes sis, that's just a workout. We ain't got time, okay? So now I'm off. Okay, watch the rest and I'll be right back. So this is how the slick back look like. So I'm going to use the both got to be gel, and I'm just going to comb down all the flyaways and brush it with my toothbrush and just take away all the flyaways and use my red tail again just to brush that feeling that I get when I don't comb my hair completely when I do slick backs. Wrap it around with a scarf, and then I started braiding the ends of my hair. This is what I was talking about. The reason why I stretched out my hair was because I didn't want to blow it out. I just wanted to look like I straightened the ends so it can just give me that complete slick back without the curls coming through. So this part right here is basically how I connected the braids. I used the rubber bands. I connected the bands together because bands gonna make it dance. Okay, all right, okay, bye. So I did both hair at the same time. One hair I separated from the rest, and then I just braided down. Like, I connected my braids with my natural hair, and I braided down as I went. So this is the part where I separated the hair. So I separated that hair right there, and I put that hair on the side because that hair was going to be the side where I'm going to loop the braids together. And then this side was the part where I braided down. You want to braid down the loose way, if that's making sense. Do not braid completely tight. There are some ponytails that I do where I braid my braids tight. This one, you want to loosen it up just a bit, because if you braid it too tight, it's gonna give you that I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a bumpiness feelings. I can't explain it, but it's gonna like shrink it back up. The only way you can make your braids long is if you loose braid it down. If anyone has never told you that, I'm telling you that right now. Loose braid down makes your braids a lot longer than tightening it too tight. So yeah, so right here I did the method that I did with my own hair. I got that accessory. I blended the accessory with the braids, and I also did the same thing I did with my first braid, which was I loose braided the hair. I didn't braid it too tight. So in a way, you could still see the accessories, and it will be stretchy enough for me to wrap the hair around this braid right here. So that's basically what I did. You can't really see the accessories, but you can see just a little bit. That's because I did the single accessories, and I didn't like do a double accessory like I did before, where I folded the accessories and then I did that. So right here, I just wrapped that braid around. It doesn't have to be neat. I didn't want it to be neat, so I kind of wanted it to be like a random, like, messy wrap on the top, as long as you can cover that, you know, part where you can't see, or that part where I braided before. So right here is where I dumped the ends of my hair in hot water, and then I took this part right here, the accessories, I wrapped it around, okay, the part where I was going to unbraid. So basically that's what I did right here. We did a little wrap up, and that's where I was wrapping a little bit tighter. That's what you want, is to stretch out that loose accessory. I don't know what you call this, but it's like a rubber band feeling. So you want to like stretch it out, and then I knotted the ends, and that's where, you know, it came. It looked good. It looked good. Okay, it looked good. So I unbraided the bottom where I dipped in hot water. Now you see the difference between the loose braids and the tight braids. That bottom was super tight to a point where it gave me that wavy texture, and then the top of my braid was the loose braid. So this is basically how it looks. It's pretty simple to do, in my opinion. I think a beginner could do this very well, because it's not like, come on, it's not rocket science. Some people say it's easy, but I promise you this is really easy to do. As long as you got the braiding method down, you good. So right here, I just decided to just mix everything together. You don't have to do it this way, but for me, we like to be a little bit too much sometimes, okay? We're not basic, we're just enough. So yeah, that's what I did with the leftover accessories. I wrapped it around, you know, made it look like, what the heck is that? Oh, it's cute. Thank you. All right. So that's what I did. I just knotted the accessories together, and this look is quite simple. Took my Got To Be gel, the yellow one, and I slayed the edges. This is the only thing that keeps my edges lasting all day is when I use Got To Be gel on my edges. I've tried every edges in the store. No edges does no of my nope. Jesus. No edge control works as well as Got To Be gel. And for the heat, I mix those two together. And this is the outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Excuse me if I didn't speak French. My voice did not allow me to talk too much, but I did talk just enough. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.